Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on.
You probably did or you probably didn't, but you don't see the difference anyway.
Come on. Hey.
Once you came up.
Tell Lola to crawl over to Mommy.
What's that?
She's trying to get your crayons. Come on, Lola. There you go. There you go.
Want a whale? Okay, I
I'm
do
gonna
whale.
bust out Mom and Dad.
You're going to draw a whale for Lola?
Yeah, I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a
Watch
whale.
out for her, okay?
I'm going to draw a big whale, a big one.
Oh, okay.
I can't draw a whale because I can't draw a whale.
You can draw one.
How will you draw a whale?
No, I think you should do it.
No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't draw it. I just...
You can draw a lot. You're smart and you can do it. Mommy believes in
I
you.
just draw this way. I draw this way. I just draw this.
Yeah, that looks really cool.
Yeah, I'm not really not a whale.
I know, but you can draw a whale if you try.
Yeah,
Lola! Lola! She's playing with her snake, your snake.
Okay, I need a page.
Lola!
Give me that color, the page.
What color the page?
That one. Mommy?
Which color?
Oh, your shark bed. I think you're talking about like a
That one, right? That one. That.
You want a piece of this or what? You want green?
No, I need red, blue, and yellow, and green, and green,
And orange.
and orange.
Here's green, orange,
Orange and blue.
and red,
Yeah, they have rhino wire in a can, you know that?
and yellow. Here's yellow. Oh, here she comes again. Hey, be nice, Cruz.
No.
You need to share with her, okay?